Today, I got a package in the mail right here, this guy, and I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you what I got, and you can tell me if you think I got a good deal. I paid $400. Actually, I paid $350 for this box plus shipping, but $350 for this box plus shipping. I want to know if you guys think I'm gonna make some good money here. Okay, put your votes down below in the comments of, is Drew gonna make money on this box of vintage? Comes bagged up, so there you go. Recycle bags, like it, reuse, recycle, reduce. So I have t-shirts, but first I got 4 pairs of Carhartts in the bundle, because you know we sell a lot of Carhartts. They're not double knee, but they're still decent. Still decent. Carhartts sell regardless, double knees or not, they still sell. So I mean, okay, so factor that in. 4 pairs of Carhartts, good sizes, not double knee, okay? Now I got a big stack of tees here, all Nike, okay? And I'm gonna show you, you let me know. Okay, bad size. Is this fucking kids? Okay, anyway. Look, this Barcelona, Just Do It, all-star team here, okay? Nike tag. That's one, but that's like tiny. Okay, this is a bit better size. Size large. Nike, Jordan, but it's a small. This is a freaking kid's large. Mount Dunkmore. I got the Mount Dunkmore, Jordan, Barkley, Pippen, made in USA Nike. That's like maybe like a modern medium. They're all freaking small, man. Nike large, Space Jam 1991. Again, pretty freaking small. Scream Team, Space Jam, 93. OG tag, probably like a medium-ish. These are all shit sizes. So maybe we'll see. It's tag large. Jordan, Pippen, wraparound. I mean, I don't know. I think there's still some meat on the bone here. Okay, this is a better size. Better size with the Godzilla vs. Barkley, 92. Godzilla vs. Barkley, 92. Nike tag. Okay. Okay, pretty good size. XL. Godzilla vs. Barkley again. 92. Single stitch. Okay. This is a kid's because it's... No, maybe not. It's just tagged small. Jordan. Size small. MVP 1992. OG tag. Okay, this one's okay size. Another Godzilla vs. Barkley. 1992. So there you have it. Total tees 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tees and 4 pairs of Carhartts. I paid $350. So that averages out to like $30 a pop, I guess. Considering 14 pieces, something like that. What do you think? Did I get hosed? Sizes aren't so good? Or am I making money? Let me know down below. Thanks for tuning in. Like this video. Appreciate you guys. Shop EffesandFrankVintage.com. Use code VTG and stuff. 30% off. I'm hooking you up. Have a good night.